Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a day vlog kind of thing. In this video I really want to focus on showing you guys what I exactly do for my business, and because I'm going to work on it today, and some activities that I do, and just like my thought process as well when it comes to doing stuff for my business. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's get this video started. So I own a jewelry business. It's called Luxu Jewelry, and I'll give you the website here, but we also have a link down below if you want to check it out. My mission for this business is I'm selling good quality but affordable jewelry as well, and they're also trendy pieces, so pieces people will want to wear because they're trending right now. So that is what it's all about. So I just woke up. It's currently 10 o'clock in the morning last night, so I am pretty tired. Why did I sleep at 3? Because I have a really bad sleeping schedule. But also I spent the night packing orders as well with my coffee. I was so tired that I forgot to put the coffee pod in the coffee machine, and water just came out, and so it's kind of like watered down a bit. I don't know. Hopefully it's good though. I'm really excited because I just got my iPad, and it's going to help me a lot with my business. I'm just planning and doing some things, and I really like the feature because this is a iPad Generation 8, and I really like how it's compatible with the iPad pen, and my sister has an iPad pen. You can use good notes and stuff for it, so I'm just gonna write down some affirmations and just do some journaling, start off the day. Hey guys, so I'm gonna go for walks on the coast. Packages. So yeah, I am now eating lunch. I just went for my walk. It was pretty good, but it was very hot today, and I went during noon, so yeah, that was a tough walk. Here I'm having lunch. I'm eating gata with fried chicken. Currently still in lockdown, and the cases are getting worse and worse every single day. It's now 344 cases today. Just did my nails, so they're alright. Yeah, we're still in lockdown. I'm not really bothered by it. It's gotten to the point where I really don't care. I don't feel like I'm missing out on any doing stuff because I've just gotten used to being in lockdown. I just do miss my friends though. However, it is what it is. We're in lockdown, we cannot go out, so I might as well make the best use of it. But I'm about to do my meditation now, but before I do that, I have to go and I need to post all my social medias for my business, and that is basically TikTok, Instagram at the moment. I'm really kind of bad at doing Pinterest, but I'll get on to doing Pinterest in a bit after my keyboard arrives for my iPad. Okay, so this is the meditation that I'm planning to do. It's the Manifest Unexpected Money in 48 Hours, and it's a guided meditation by Master Sri Akarshana. It's only 15 minutes long, so it's not bad, and I really enjoy it. Like, I really do. The music's so calming, and sometimes usually when I meditate I might fall asleep, so I don't know. Hopefully I don't fall asleep this time, but let's get into the meditation, I guess. I just finished my meditation. I felt so good. That was like the most relaxing meditation ever, and then I was so relaxed that I took like a mini nap afterwards, and I feel really good now. I think it's so important to take naps during the day, especially when you wake up super early or you have a brilliant sleep as well. So Instagram has this feature where you can create drafts of your posts, and what I've learned is your posts perform better when you manually post your post. It performs better when you do that compared to when you use a scheduling app, because Instagram knows when you're using a scheduling app to do that. One way to overcome you trying to post every single day and like taking up your time to the captions and stuff. Instagram does have a drafting feature to do that. What I do, I plan week's content of my Instagram photos and then I edit them, post it, and now since I have an iPad now, I'm gonna wait for the keyboard and then I can, I guess, post things more efficient where I can individually type out the captions because back then I just did it with my iPhone and I had typed manually with my thumbs and that was kind of annoying as well. I didn't know this, but from the computer you can actually schedule your TikTok videos. If you're like editing your TikTok videos on the computer, you can schedule it from there. However, I film everything on my phone and that doesn't give me the option to schedule my posts. Okay guys, so I have finished doing my drafts for my Instagram reels, so now I'm about to do some jewelry making and really excited because I'm gonna release these products. Right, we have the rose quartz and the amethyst. Each rock is completely different sizing, so it's very customized, I guess, and I basically just wire wrapped thing itself to make it into a pendant, and then how I did it as well. And it also comes in silver, so here. However, okay, I feel like gold looks so much better quartz, but I did make a silver option as well for those who like silver. So basically this is the wire. I'm using 18 gauge and this is like a gold one, stainless steel wire. I'm just gonna cut it like so. This ply, which like this nose thing, so I have two different pliers. I have this one and then I have this one which has like some teeth to it, so I'm going to use this nose and I'm just going to twist it to make the crown set, like the circle with the chain through for your necklace. So I'm just doing it 2 times, like wrapping just like so. Okay, so here's the wire gauge and I'm just taking this much out. And then I'm just gonna get some random crystal. I'm gonna use amethyst crystal and I'm just gonna wrap it around. Literally just do this, hold on tight, just wrap it around like so. And that's basically the wrap. And then all I do is I make sure this is out a bit and then I just twist it around this bail. So this is it. This is basically how you wire wrap it and I love doing this. And it looks so pretty and every piece is different that I wire wrap. And as you can see, it's super secure. I'm shaking it and it's not moving. That's what I'm going to do for the next hour or so. I'm just going to try and finish this all up. Okay, so the sun is almost setting, so it's golden hour now, so I'm gonna go quickly take some photos for my jewelry business. So I'm gonna focus more on creating content for photos that for the products I don't usually advertise. I'm just going to do that right now. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I'm just gonna hold so this is my backyard. Sun is warm right now. First of all, I am going to take pictures of my quartz crystals. Literally, I have to like, okay, I can stand up actually. Okay, so I'm pretty much dead from all the work that I did today. I still have a lot of things to do left and might not be able to complete it today. I have to do it tomorrow. But now I'm just gonna do some bit of relaxation, have something to eat, and yeah, just do some stuff on my iPad.
I care. I don't want to be in the bed. I do not consent. No.
That's not even the bed. It's called by the chair. The chair.
Why can't you just record it that way? There's nobody there.
Hey guys, so it is dinner time right now. Yeah, basically what I've done for the past hour or so is I was just chilling, just doing my paint by numbers and doing my gratitude and affirmations, and also started wire wrapping my things again. However, I haven't finished with it yet. I still need to complete that, but now I'm just gonna eat my dinner. So here we have some pastas, like really crazy fusion. We're having some pasta as well as some green beans and some fried chicken. So that's my dinner, so I'm gonna try it out. Yummy. So delicious. Look guys, it has been, my hair's so messy, oh my god. It's been about a week since I did that video and I totally forgot to do an outro. Basically I spent the night eating dinner and then playing games with my friend. That is it for that video. Thank you guys so much for watching this far, and please like this video and subscribe below to support me, and I'll be continue making new videos every single week since this lockdown and I got nothing better to do. But yeah, that's another video. Goodbye guys.